I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Happy Halloween. I set some of my dolls up in their cute little Halloween outfits for Little Crafty Kitties collab, the Halloween Bash. I am pretty proud of my little guys. I made all of their outfit except the kilt. I just think she's adorable. And Little Crafty Kitty, thank you, Erica, for hosting this collab. We always appreciate all that you put into the doll community, all your lives on Friday nights, everything you do for all of us in the doll community. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Happy Halloween. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.